Today I am reviewing the HYPERSTRIX 16-inch Core i5 laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a large-screen laptop that delivers a strong balance of performance, productivity, and everyday reliability, the HYPERSTRIX 16-inch Core i5 laptop is a compelling option that deserves attention. Designed for users who need a dependable machine for work, study, entertainment, and light gaming, this laptop focuses on practical performance and real-world usability rather than flashy gimmicks, making it an excellent choice for long-term daily use. At the core of this laptop is an Intel Core i5 processor that can boost up to 3.6 GHz. This processor is built to handle everyday computing tasks efficiently, whether that means browsing the web with multiple tabs open, working on documents and spreadsheets, attending online meetings, or streaming high-definition video. With 2 cores and 4 threads working together, the system maintains smooth responsiveness during multitasking, and the integrated Intel UHD graphics 617 handles casual gaming, video playback, and light creative work with ease. While this is not a laptop meant for demanding AAA gaming or heavy professional rendering, it performs very well for students, office professionals, and home users who value stability and speed in everyday tasks. One of the most impressive aspects of this laptop is the memory and storage combination. With 16 GB of dual-channel RAM, the system is well equipped for modern workloads. You can comfortably run multiple applications at the same time, switch between programs without delays, and keep dozens of browser tabs open without slowing down the system. The 512 GB solid-state drive further enhances the experience by delivering fast boot times, quick application launches, and smooth file transfers. There is plenty of space for documents, software, photos, videos, and work files, making this laptop ready for both productivity and entertainment from day one. The 16-inch Full HD IPS display is another major highlight and plays a big role in the overall experience. With a resolution of 1920 by 1200 and a 16:10 aspect ratio, you get more vertical screen space compared to traditional 16:9 displays. This extra space is extremely useful for productivity tasks like writing, coding, reading, and working with spreadsheets, as it allows you to see more content on the screen at once. The anti-glare coating helps reduce reflections, making it comfortable to use in bright environments, while IPS technology ensures wide viewing angles and consistent image quality. Whether you're watching movies, editing documents, or playing casual games, the visuals remain sharp, clear, and immersive. Out of the box, this laptop comes with Windows 11 Pro, offering a modern and streamlined user experience designed for productivity and multitasking. The system boots up quickly and stays responsive over time, even with daily use. A major advantage is that Microsoft Office 365 comes pre-installed and activated, allowing you to start working immediately with tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. This is especially valuable for students, remote workers, and professionals who rely on these applications every day, as it eliminates the need for additional setup or purchases. Connectivity is another area where this laptop shines. Instead of removing essential ports, it provides a wide range of interfaces that make it easy to connect accessories, external displays, and storage devices. You get multiple USB Type-A ports, a USB-C port for data transfer, an HDMI output for external monitors or TVs, a microSD card slot, and even a gigabit Ethernet RJ45 port for stable wired internet connections. On the wireless side, Wi-Fi 5 ensures reliable internet performance, while Bluetooth 5.0 makes it easy to connect wireless headphones, mice, keyboards, and other peripherals without hassle. The backlit keyboard adds to the overall usability, especially in low-light environments. Typing feels comfortable thanks to the spacious layout made possible by the large 16-inch chassis, making it suitable for long writing sessions, coding, or office work. The built-in webcam and microphone further enhance its usefulness for video calls, online classes, and virtual meetings, allowing you to stay connected without needing additional accessories. Battery life is supported by a 5,000 mAh, 38 Wh lithium polymer battery, which provides reliable performance for everyday use. While it may not last an entire day under heavy workloads, it is well suited for several hours of browsing, streaming, or office tasks, making it a practical choice for home use, classrooms, or remote work setups. Overall, the HYPERSTRIX 16-inch Core i5 laptop delivers a well-rounded experience that focuses on what truly matters: a large and comfortable display, smooth multitasking with 16 gigabytes of RAM, fast storage, modern software, and excellent connectivity. It's an ideal laptop for students, professionals, and casual users who want a dependable Windows 11 Pro notebook with Microsoft Office included, without paying a premium price. For anyone looking for a reliable, productivity-focused 16-inch laptop that handles everyday tasks with ease, this model is a solid and sensible choice.